The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Jefferson County in north-central Kentucky. This includes the city of Louisville, Bullitt County, and north-central Kentucky; Spencer County in north-central Kentucky; Shelby County in north-central Kentucky. This includes the city of Frankfort; Henry County in north-central Kentucky; Oldham County in north-central Kentucky, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler indicated a line of extremely severe thunderstorms approaching the watch area. These storms have a history of producing large hail to the size of grapefruits or 4 inches in diameter, destructive winds to 80 miles per hour, and tornadoes. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Move into a basement or lowest floor of your building. If in a vehicle or mobile home, evacuate them immediately and move into a substantial shelter. Do not take shelter under highway overpasses as the last resort. Lay flat in the nearest ditch or comfort and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, this storm has powerful rotation capable of producing a large violent tornado. The tornado may already be on the ground or will be shortly. Take shelter immediately. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio or local media outlets for the latest updates on this dangerous situation. Report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling 1-800-633-6772 when you can do so safely. The tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for portions of north-central Kentucky, as a particularly dangerous situation.